In this video, I am going to solve this system of linear equations using the substitution method. Here is the system of linear equations with two equations. As usual, before solving this system, I am going to give you an outline of what it means to solve a system of linear equations. It means that if you have, let's say, two system with two equations, then those two equations are going to represent two straight lines. So in essence, when you are solving this system, it means that you are finding this point of intersection. You are finding the coordinates of this point of intersection, and let's call this A comma B. That's what we exactly are doing when we are solving a system and finding the xy values. So your x value is going to be A, y value is going to be B. Now let's go ahead and jump into the problem. As it is, the problem basically screams for the substitution method because one of the values is already given, x is equal to -3. So all we have to do is take this value and plug it into the other one and solve for y. So if we did that, it's going to be 9 times x, 9 times -3, minus 8y minus 14 is equal to 0. 9 times -3 is -27, minus 8y minus 14 is equal to 0. Now -8y, then -27 minus 14 is -41 is equal to 0. Now I add 41 to both sides. That gives me on the left hand side -8y, and -41 positive 41 cancel, and on the right hand side I have just 41. Now I divide both sides by -8, and on the left -8 and -8 cancels. That gives me y is equal to, on the right hand side, 41 over 8. So that's my y, and I already have x, which is given as a part of the equation. So my x is equal to -3. Now let me kind of sketch these two equations and give you an outline of what it is. So actually I'll just draw it directly. Note, x is equal to -3 is a vertical line that goes through the x coordinate -3 on the x-axis. Now this equation, if I sketch it, is going to kind of look like this. Something like this. Okay? The other equation, the second one. Now, what we are doing here, we are finding the point of intersection, which is this. So, what are the coordinates of this point of intersection? It is -3, -41 over 8. And that's exactly what we did in finding the solution to this system of linear equations. You are finding the point of intersection for the two straight lines under consideration. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.